Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am here with a solution set of question number 11 from past paper May 2023. So let's start this question. This question is basically from the topic of function and substring or string handling. Alright. So first part of this question is quite easy, where we just need to declare two variables p and q with their data types, and then we need to store some data into it. So let's start our question. P stores string, so it's very easy. We use the keyword declare, and then we are going to write the name of the variable. Variable P is storing string. Okay. Next part is that we need to declare variable Q, and it is of type character, where difference between character and string is string holds multiple alphabet or combination of numbers and characters, while character stores only single character. Alright, so let's move to the second part or the second portion of this question, where we need to store this string into the variable p. So very simple assignment statement we are using, and we are storing the word, it's small w. Be specific about the case of the word. Whatever is written in the question, you need to write the same terminology or same way of writing the word, right? So let's store Q, and we are storing capital W. Yes, it is saying to us that we need to store capital W into it. So if you have solved the question like this, it will be very easy for you to acquire 2 marks out of it. So let's proceed. Next part of the question, and this part carries 4 marks. Write a pseudocode algorithm to convert P to uppercase. As we have already studied, that uppercase is a built-in function, and it needs one parameter, and the parameter is P. But as it is a function, so it needs to return a value to some variable. So we are returning. There is no restrictions here that you need to store the data into some specific variable. So currently, for the time, I am storing the uppercase string into p variable again. Alright, so what are we doing? After converting p string into uppercase, I am storing it into p variable again. So what is in p string now? It's T H E W O R L D. Okay, so it is converted into uppercase, so this thing has been stored into P now. Find the position of Q in this string. So second point is quite tricky, that what we need to do, we need to search whatever is stored in Q. If we just observe it, whatever is stored in Q, it's W, and we need to find the position of Q in the string. So it means we need to search this whole string. For this purpose, we need to incorporate the searching algorithm technique into it. But in our book, what we did, or in our course, what we did, we have searched in an array, and here it is asking us to search from a string. So what we need to do, we need to search the whole string. For that purpose, I am incorporating a for loop into it, and index I to, for I is equal to, for I is equal to 1 to length of p. Whatever is length of this p string, we will search through whole string. How can we take out this W? W is in fact stored in Q. Here it's already written. So what we need to do, if substring, and what is substring? Position is P. String is P, and position is I. As we are starting position is I, and we are searching through whole string. So for length of P, it's better to store length of P before this algorithm. So let's store it somewhere. I am storing it here in length of P into another variable R. Alright, so what I am doing, P comma I comma R. So we need to search through whole substring as whole string, right? So, and what do we need to find here? If substring of P comma I comma R is equal to Q, whatever is stored in it, W, and whatever is extracting from the substring, if these both are equal, then what we need to do, we are going to store I into a variable position. Hopefully you must be getting the idea that what I did here. Although I have missed one point here, but it's okay. If you face such kind of problem, just put a comma and write next statement. It would be acceptable. So P is equal to uppercase. First of all, we did this step, and then what we did, we've we have just written this line to extract the length of P for searching the substring from this string. Alright, and last line is next of I. Okay, so this is the whole statement, and what is it doing? It is storing the position into I. So what we need to do first, we will first of all write this statement. This is our statement number 1, this is our statement number 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the end we will store the position, this position. This is statement number 6. Alright. Okay, Ji. Next part of this question is gives the value of position after the algorithm has been executed with the data in question number 11. So you can see here that this is our string, okay, and we need to find the position of this W or in this string P. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer of this question is 5. So that's all about question number 11, and after this the most waiting question will be coming with the solution, inshallah, question number 12, and see you in next class with this question, very important question. The weightage of that question was 15, and we will solve this question inshallah in next class. Keep watching my videos and keep subscribing as well. Thank you.